Palace of Green Bay.
Happy birthday!
Pare,
Oo, ando. Gusto niyo na ba? Ang cool ng app niya, makikita mo lahat ng pictures.
Pare. Okay.
Naka-live na.
Pare, kumpare ko to. Sige.
Dapat magpa-picture tayo mag-ikot na lang ako.
ayos na.
If you want something from here, let me know. I'll pass it to you. Kaya ko sinaw dito. Sige po. Yan.
Her beloved husband, Eduardo.
All right, folks, and now I'd like to welcome up here Vicky Pena for a welcome toast and a prayer. Round of applause for Vicky. Come on up.
Kiss, kiss, kiss.
Kiss.
Naman ng anak ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Aming mapagmahal na Diyos, pinupuri at pinasasalamatan ka namin. Salamat po sa buhay ng aming minamahal na nagdiriwang sa kanyang 80th birthday na si Nanay Tia Victoria Ponsones. Ilang taon naman ang lumipas, puno ng biyaya, pag-asa at pagmamahal mula sa iyo. Sa bawat sandali ng kanyang buhay, kayo po ang gumabay, nagpalakas at nagbigay ng lakas ng loob. Panginoon, patuloy po ninyong pagpalain ang buhay ng ating mahal na tiya, Tuyang. Bigyan ninyo siya ng mabuting kalusugan, matibay na pananampalataya at pusong matibay. Laging nagpapasalamat sa iyong kabutihan. Naway ang kanyang buhay ay magpapatotoo ng iyong pagmamahal at pagpapala. Pagpalain din po ninyo ang kanyang pamilya at ang mga mahal sa buhay na laging nandirito upang sumorta at magmahal sa kanya. Naway, patuloy silang bigyan ng pagkakaisa, pagmamahalan at kapayapaan sa kanilang tahanan. Salamat, Panginoon, sa buhay na ito. Isang buhay na may layunin at puno ng pag-asa sa iyong mga pangako. Basbasan po ninyo ang kanyang darating na taon at punuin ito ng kagandahan, kasaganahan, kaligayahan at walang biyaya. Sa pangalan ni Jesus at ng ating Panginoon, ito ang aming samot sa pangalan mo. Amen. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Happy birthday, Tia!
All right, thank you, Vicky, for that beautiful prayer. Ladies and gentlemen, family style with 5-course meals on the way. The bar will be open from 6 to 10, open bar from 6 to 9 actually, and cash bar for the last hour. And we have more music on the way. Once again, happy birthday, Nana Vicky. Another round of applause for Nana. Happy birthday.
Ano, pisang ko po yung si Eddie. Hello po, good evening. Pisang ko po yung mag-asawa. Okay, thank you. Hello po, good evening. Pisang ko po yung mag-asawa. Sa YouTube po ito. Okay, thank you. Good evening po. Pisang ko po si Eddie. Pisang buo. No, yung YouTube ko ho ito eh. Kaya makikita nyo. Good evening po. Pisang ko po yung si Eddie. Kumari ko naman yung Vicky. Yeah, ano, oh. Hi. Hi. Good evening po. Pwedeng po lang po kayo.
Yes, sige po. Video po yan.
Po. Pisang ko po si Eddie. Kumari ko po naman si Vicky. Okay. Thank you po. Pisang ko po si Eddie. At kumari ko po naman si Vicky. At least meron silang souvenir.
Looking sharp, man.
Pare,
Very good yan. Very good. Very good yung ginagawa mo, Ben.
good evening po. Pisang ko po at kumari yung wedding celebrant.
Oh, happy birthday,
Parang po sa kanila ito. Thank you po. Thank you po. Pisang ko po yung kumari ko po. Souvenir nila ito.
Happy birthday.
Draw your attention to the
Good
TV
evening
screen
po.
here. We're going to play a beautiful video montage.
Pisang ko po yung si Eddie. Kumari ko naman yung asawa niya.
Ano po? Kami po lahat.
Oh. Yan. Video ito. Oo, kaya
Happy birthday
oh, baka sakali makita nyo sa YouTube.
Thank you. I know that.
Pagkakataon ko para magpasalamat sa iyo.
Yeah.
Ang success ko sa buhay ay dahil sa iyo at sa inyo ni Tatay. Binigay ninyo sa akin ang pinakamahalagang regalo sa lahat. Ang tiwala ko sa sarili ko. Dahil sa iyo, lumaki akong may tapang at lakas ng loob. Abutin ang mga pangarap ko. Dahil alam ko nandiyan ka para saluhin at suportahan ako sa kahit anong mangyari. At ngayon, Nanay, gusto kong ipaalam sa iyo, tulad ng pagmamahal at pag-aalaga mo sa akin habang lumalaki ako. Ngayon naman ang panahon ko para alagaan kayo. Gusto kong malaman mo na walang pagsubok sa mundo ko ang harapin mong mag-isa. Dahil nandito lang ako para suportahan ka at hindi kita papabayaan at mahal na mahal kita.
Ako din, ako din.
And happy birthday, Nanay! Sana ma-enjoy mo ang gabi ko and you deserve the world.
Alright, thank you, Vanessa. Okay. We love you so much. Your love and support mean the world to us. And thank you for supporting us, for caring us. So I hope you're enjoying your birthday party with your friends and family who came. Some of them traveled really far. Some are from the Philippines, from Chicago, from San Diego. So I hope you're enjoying this night. Okay? Happy birthday.
Want to do a quick kiss? Kiss, kiss, kiss.
Kiss, kiss, kiss.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
So everyone will dance around the newspaper or just dance, and then when the music stops, you guys gonna step inside the newspaper, and for you to stay in the game, make sure that nothing is actually coming out from the newspaper, any part of your shoes or your feet. Okay. And then, yes, if everyone got the first round, we're gonna fold the newspaper in half. Like really half, no cheating please. The judges will be roaming around, okay? Yeah, $50 gift card, 25 each. Okay? Any questions?
Somebody should bring a kid.
No?
Then they're gonna win. Yeah.
Okay. Start. Are you guys ready? All right, here we go. Pay attention.
It's okay.
Kinakailangan din sila doon sa
Okay, everyone's still in. All right. It's full.
Still good? We're still good?
Yeah, everyone is.
All right, we're going to fold the newspaper right now in half. Is everybody ready? All right, here we go. All right, what do we got here? All right, guys, we're going to reset. Let's fold that paper.
Ako, personal. Ito rin nakakalungan mo rin yung partner mo. Ano?
That's automatic win. But maybe that's cheating. That one.
All right. You know, this is going to be a tough one. This is probably going to be the end of it all.
Kaya ang nasishake ko talaga.
Look at you guys, you're being so nice and generous. This is like competition.
Tapos na yun.
All right, here we go. All right, we're down to 5 couples, or actually 6. We've got 6 couples on the dance floor. All right, ladies and gents, are you guys ready? Here we go. You gotta have balance for this game. What do we got? We've got 4 couples left, ladies and gentlemen. 4 couples left. 3. We got 3 couples left.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat galing sa Manalayo. Thank you very much.